You know who I am? I'm the Session. One of the flyest new young comers on the scene for this YouTube shit. For this feeding your mind, body, your ears, your spirit. And on a day like today, you know what I like to do? Make money. I like to help people. And 80% of you have been asking me about option plays. So I know you're like, hey, Sesh, what's the play for this week? Even though I gave you some penny stocks. Even though I gave you some growth stocks. Even though I showed you my portfolio. You know what you want? Option play. You want an option play, right? So what did I do? I got 3 of them for you. Here it is, this week's option plays. No, not just one. We got 3 of them things for you. These are just things that I noticed with the research and the help of some dope-ass people. I was able to come up with these plays for the week. If you want to enter at your own risk. Because guess what? I'm not your financial advisor. You guessed it. Here we are with the 3 plays. I need you to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and follow your boy. Subscribe to your boy. Follow me on Instagram at @thesessionCA. And get ready to make some money. I need you to free up some capital because we're going to need to get some of these plays popping. You dig? Let's get it. For the first play, it should not be foreign to any of you. You should know all about this because we mentioned this about 10 days ago. SPCE. This is Virgin Galactic's holdings. This is Elon Musk and them taking trips and flying around outer space. They're going to be making frequent trips to outer space. I've mentioned this and we spoke about it. They engage in the manufacture of advanced air and space vehicles and provision of space flight services for private individuals and researchers. It designs spaceships which can fly anyone to space safely without the need for enterprise or exhaustive time-consuming training. That says all it needs to say. And guess what else? It's actually going to be completing 2 test flights Thursday and Friday of this week. So you know what I see there? Dollar signs. That's what I see. I see money. I see abundance. And I see an opportunity for us to buy. I also believe not even just an option. I'm going to be owning some position in this stock. So to place the option in which we're talking about, you go here, press trade, trade options. We will select January 29th to see how much it costs. Okay, so if you do have some capital, come on over here. We believe it to go to $34.50, right? But being as though this is a shorter expiration date, you can pick whichever one you want. We have selected this next upcoming Friday. So I want to be safer and say, you know, I think it's going to be $34. But if you wanted $34.50, let's click it. You have to buy 100 contracts. We hit the 1, it'll be $154. All right, simple. 154 bucks if you want this play. That is SPCE at $34.50 or $34, whichever you choose. That is call number 1. Play numero 2 is Woozy. And yes, we just mentioned this yesterday. I'm giving y'all game. I'm at least educating you enough to say, okay, this is what this place is doing. This is what this company's doing. Okay, bomb, bomb, bomb. All right. Woozy is popping. If you want to know more about Woozy, oh, what is it? What do I know? Go check out my last video because I described everything about it right there. But what I'm going to show you is the call we're going to be placing. You go to trade options, and then we're going to take this to February the 19th. This is much more safe and very beautiful. $12 right here. We're going to do the $12 call. We believe it is going to be at $12 at minimum or above. And that's going to cost us $170. The strike price on this is $1.60 to $1.80. Okay, so you pay your $170. It's going to be lit. We're going up with this. We're making money all week. I'm giving y'all plays. We making money. You dig what I'm talking about? So that is the Woozy call. $12 for February the 19th expiration date. Let's make some money. And number 3, who would I be if I wouldn't be me? It's AMC. AMC. I'm putting y'all on game. I told you about this yesterday. I told you about Woozy yesterday. So for all of y'all, you blessed. The market isn't open. So if you forgot, you were asleep, you didn't check it out, no worries. Woozy, AMC, we spoke about the other day. SPCE, we spoke about last week. So I'm telling y'all the game. I'm giving y'all game. I'm giving y'all the things that at least to keep on your radar. Or if you're interested in seeing successful companies that are going up, check these out. AMC, it is cheap. It is very affordable. $3.58 right now. It is going up. They just got a debt issuance for $100 million. This comes at a rate of 15% per year. With this newfound news, I would definitely get shares in this stock and place a trailing stop loss on it if you were worried about it. But for the option's sake, what we're going to do is we're going to place a call on this. I already have a call on this, but I'm going to do one for demonstration purposes for you all to walk you through it. Sash, how do you do an option? I don't know how to. Here's how you place a call. So you see right here, the share price is already $3.58. So if you believe it's going to go up to $4 and you know for sure it's going to go up and you want to pay a less of a premium, you go ahead. For me, I'm going to do 3.5. And if you hit the 1, you're going to buy 100 shares. One contract is 100 shares, and that's only $62. Okay, so if you want a little safer one, $62 at $3.50 for January the 29th. If you want to change the expiration date, you can do it. I'm simply telling you, this is just a faster play. So let's say, for example, let's do one February 5th instead, right? You see, we could still pick $3.50, but now it costs $79. You have more time to get it up to that $3.50 mark. So you can do whichever you choose, whichever amount of capital you have, whichever fits your budget, whichever fits your lifestyle is what you do, is what you choose. Those are the 3 plays. You don't have to act on all 3 of these. I'm just simply giving you 3 things instead of 1. You see, that's the beauty of checking in here and us talking to each other and sharing good information and being positive and shit like that. I'm getting all types of game from y'all. Y'all getting game from me. It's a community. It's an ecosystem. We got some beautiful, beautiful people, a great family over there at the Discord. I hope you all enjoy this fantastic video on how to get yourself some extra money. You dig what I'm saying? We getting money. You don't gotta be in the streets running around doing what you're doing. You don't have to work that 9 to 5. You can come get money the legal way. And you don't even have to go nowhere to make it. You feel me? So let's go get these checks together. Let's get this money together. Let's get this knowledge together. Money comes to us in abundance. Anything we desire positively comes to us in abundance. Dig what I'm talking about? Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you share this video with somebody who wants to make some money or who's bitching about their job. Show them this. Show them the kids. Show them the family we got going over here. If you want to join the Discord, oh God, where do I? It's $5. Click the description. It's right there. It's a family. It's beautiful. It's lit. We got some revamping going on over there too. So everything in life, and my life is just progressing and continuing to flourish and be vibrant. I hope you were all being vibrant, beautiful beings. That's all I got to say. Let's make some money. Comment below as the week goes if you made some money, or if you're getting in these plays, type below which one you're going to be getting in. That's it. I love you. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, and stay healthy. You did.